Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.6, Problem 8. This is Section 4.6, Problem number 8. It says 50 is what percent of 20? So before we even start, since 50 is so much larger than 20, it should be more than 100% of 20. Because 100% of 20 is 20. So 50 has to be even more, just to start with some sort of an estimate. So with the problems from this section, we want to solve them as a proportion, and that means that the sentence that's the question has to be written A is P% of B. And that's what we have. A is P% of B. The A is 50, the percent is unknown, and the B is the 20. So we don't have to rewrite it. If it weren't in that form, we have to rewrite it. And then what you want to do is set it up as a proportion. A over B equals P over 100. So when you set this up, essentially you just start here and go around as a circle. A is P% of B. So the A, the first thing, is the 50 is what percent? So the percent is unknown. So P, and the percent really goes in as the 100. The what is the P of 20. 20 is the B. So now what we have is an equation with one unknown. It's one fraction equals another. That's our proportion. To solve it, we can cross multiply. And notice we can reduce this. Sometimes I reduce, sometimes I don't. You will get the same answer either way. Let's reduce it. 5 over 2 is the same as 50 over 20. I basically divide 10 into the numerator 5 times, divide 10 into the denominator twice. So, again, same situation. One fraction equals another, one unknown. We're going to solve by cross multiplying. 2 times P will be 2P. And the other crisscross, we have 5 times 100. And we can simplify that easily enough. 2p will stay as 2p. 5 times 100 is 500. So now we want p equals, not 2p equals, so divide the 2. So p equals 500 divided by 2. And that's easy enough to do. Half of 500 is 250. So that's the answer. So 50 is what percent of 20? 50 is 250% of 20. And it is a percentage that's well over 100. And if you want to do a nice job, you can even put the percent symbol after it like that. That's the answer.